Various scenarios of randomization. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the procedure of preparation of database of polling personnel, explain the randomization of polling parties, underline the various scenarios of randomizations. Database of polling personnel. District election officer shall prepare a database of all employees of central government, state government, central and state PSUs, government companies and software supplied by the CU concerned. Randomization of polling parties. First randomization shall be done 40 days before the date of poll to generate 120% of the total anticipated requirement of the staff. Assembly constituency not to be allocated. And in the first randomization, observer presence is not required. Second randomization shall be done just after the scrutiny of nominations. Polling party shall be formed. AC shall be allocated. Second randomization shall be done in the presence of the observer. Third randomization can be done on P-2 or P-1 day. Allocation of polling station. List to be disclosed at the time of dispersal only. The third randomization shall be done in the presence of observer. Now we will see various scenarios of randomization. Scenario number 1. The entire district consists of a single parliamentary constituency, and the district election officer of that district may be the returning officer for that parliamentary constituency. All the three randomizations shall be done by the concerned DO. Scenario number 2. If a district consists of two or more parliamentary constituencies, the district election officer will be the returning officer of only one parliamentary constituency, and another senior most officer not below the rank of ADM may be the returning officer of the second PC falling in the same district. The first and second randomization shall be done by the DO. After the completion of the training, the DO shall give the list of polling personnel to the RO of other PC for third randomization. Scenario number 3. In case of parliamentary constituency consists of an entire district plus certain assembly segment of adjoining district, and the district election officer of the said adjoining district is not the returning officer of the parliamentary constituency consisting of those assembly segments, then first two randomization shall be done by the concerned DOs. The district election officer of the district, which entirely comes under that PC, will do the third randomization of the polling personnel from his district database. The district election officer of the adjoined district shall give the list of polling personnel from his district database to the concerned ARO of the assembly segment for third randomization. Scenario number 4. Where a parliamentary constituency falls in the two districts, the district election officer of the district in which major portion of the parliamentary constituency falls shall be the returning officer for that PC. In case the district election officer of that district is already a returning officer of another parliamentary constituency falling in that district, ADM rank officer will be the RO after the approval of the commission. First two randomization shall be done by the concerned DOs. The RO, who is the ADM rank officer of a parliamentary constituency, will do the third randomization of the polling personnel only for assembly segment which comes under his district from the district database provided by the district election officer. Also, the district election officer of the adjoining district shall give the list of polling personnel from his district database to the concerned ARO of the assembly segment for third randomization. Randomization of women officials. Female polling personnel should be put on duty in the neighboring polling stations through manual randomization under the guidance of the observer. They can go to the polling station on the morning of the poll day, at least 2 hours before the start of the poll. For this purpose, the randomization of female polling staff should be done as per following category. First category, in completely rural assembly constituencies, female staff shall be randomized manually in such a way that they are not posted in the Gram Panchayat where they have been residing or working. Second category, in the urban areas having 2 or more urban assembly constituencies, the randomization of female staff shall be done inter-assembly constituency wise among these ACs. Third randomization, in the urban assembly constituencies whose contiguous assembly constituencies are rural, the randomization shall be done within the same urban assembly constituency in such a way that the female staff is not posted at the polling station location of the ward where she has been residing or working. Fourth category, in the urban rural mixed assembly constituencies whose contiguous assembly constituencies are rural, randomization for rural area shall be done in such a way that a female staff would not get posted in the Gram Panchayat where she has been residing or she has been working. And in the urban areas, female staff shall not be posted at the polling station location where she has been residing. However, it must be ensured that female staff should not get posted outside the block where she has been residing or working. In this educational video, we have learned about the various scenarios of randomization. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.